welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Colourpop haul. So if you guys want to see what I got from Colourpop, then keep watching. This is the biggest Colourpop haul I've ever made, and I'm not mad about that. Just don't judge me, please and thank you. I made this purchase because they were doing a 40% off sale after Christmas, and I decided to treat myself because yes, Santa did come and Santa brought me a lot of stuff, but I didn't ask for any makeup, so I bought myself some makeup. Before I get into the actual haul, I just want to say shout out to Colourpop for wrapping everything so nicely and safely when they ship to you. All the products were so tightly wrapped in bubble wrap, and then on top they put that like paper, like filler stuff, like a big sheet of paper, not like the little caterpillar things. But everything arrived so safely, and I just really appreciate that they do that because, you know, other places, Ulta and Sephora, don't do that ever. And it really annoys me because you're spending a lot of money on makeup. You want it to be safe, you know? So shout out to Colourpop for that. Like every Colourpop order, you always get a little card saying Colourpop on the front, and then they always have a cute little message on the back, and it just says New Year, New Colourpop 2019. And then down here, they just have all their social media. I'm sure you've seen these multiple times before. So I just kind of like browsed the Colourpop website. I didn't go on there needing or wanting anything. There were some things that I wanted, but some things just like spoke to me. First thing being this, which is the Designer Collection Belle Collection set. So this set has a lip gloss, a lipstick, and a Super Shock shadow, which are all in here. First we have the gloss, and this is in the shade Last Petal, and this is what it looks like up close. Has a doe foot applicator. It looks like this, and I'm saying that now just because wait for the other products. So this is what it looks like swatched. So pretty. I was kind of nervous for it at first because I'm not the biggest like metallic lip fan, but this I'll wear because it's not crazy. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty Gloss Bomb, like with the shimmer level. Next, we have the lipstick, and I just love the lipstick because it has all of their signatures on the back, and it just reminds me of my autograph book from Disney World. But this is the shade right here. Really pretty rosy color. That's the swatch right there. And this is in the shade Belle. Does it have a scent? Ooh, it has like, it kind of smells like the Milani lipsticks. And then we have the Super Shock shadow in Be Our Guest. I really like this. It has like some reflex in it, like a blue, purple. That's like a really pretty rosy shade. I like it a lot. And so this is what the swatch looks like right there. Really pretty pink color. I would actually wear this like out. I normally don't wear like colorful things like this look right here. Wouldn't leave the house in it, but I'd wear Be Our Guest out, definitely, because it's really, really pretty. I'm definitely going to save the packaging of this because I love this. If you guys have been with me for a while, you may know that I love Belle. I did a whole Belle-inspired look when the movie came out a couple years ago. She's my favorite princess. So next up, I got a couple of palettes, and I'm not going to swatch them in the video. I want to do a whole dedicated swatch and review video for you guys, which I'll probably do in February, just so I could, you know, use them a lot. But there will definitely be tutorials coming soon with these looks. But I'll do like more in-depth videos in a month once I've used the palette and, you know, see how I like it. The first palette that I got is the Soul palette. While editing, I noticed that I have two B&Bs, which is the really nice like bronzy shimmer shades by my pinky and ring finger, if you can see them in the picture. I messaged Colourpop letting them know, seeing if they can fix it. I should have the shade Unwind, which is the shade that should be by my pinky, so yeah. I'll let you guys know. Back with the haul. I think these colors are stunning. They're all nice warm tones, which I really like, and it's very neutral in my opinion. Definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this little guy. Then the next palette that I purchased is the Mar palette. This is a green shade. So excited for. It's so pretty. It's gonna be like a really pretty spring color. It's like that It almost looks like a minty green. I love it. I really like the packaging of these palettes because they're plastic. So if you do get it dirty, it'll be easy to clean. It's not like the Yes Please palette. That's a hot mess. But I'm very excited for these palettes. I think they're really pretty. This, again, has the 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. They're just all so pretty. And they're all just very wearable shades. Like, they're very bright and a little colorful, but they're still very wearable, I think. The last palette that I got because I spent a lot of money on this particular day, and they were giving away for free if you spend X amount of dollars. And that is the Chasing Rainbows palette. I don't know where I was when this palette released. I don't remember it ever coming out. I don't think I've seen anyone use it. I live under a rock. I really do. I try watching people's YouTube videos, but like, life gets in the way, you know? But the packaging of this palette is gorgeous. I love the colors, and the shades inside are just so stinking pretty. I think there's a really pretty mix of like neutrals and colors. Like, you got your neutrals up here, a little bit of color down in this area, but they're all still really wearable. I will definitely use a lot of the more colorful shades, just like pops of colors to looks like on my lower lash line. I love doing that because a little like color overkill I won't wear out, like I was just saying before, but if I put a little on the lower lash line, I'll definitely use that, or wear it out, I mean. But shades are just so pretty on one. So excited to use this. Next are more lip products because I really like Colourpop's lip products. So when I was browsing the website, I saw that they did something with Make-A-Wish, and I didn't watch the video. They had a YouTube video. It just kept freezing. Like, my laptop just wasn't having it with the video. But if I understand correctly, a girl named Delilah with Make-A-Wish, like she was with Make-A-Wish, I guess wanted to do something with Colourpop. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. And this is like things she came up with, and any purchase from the Make-A-Wish collection that she did was the money was going to Make-A-Wish. So I felt like I had to purchase. I always donate to like St. Jude's and Make-A-Wish. I do. Fun fact, if you care. But I got 2 lip glosses from them. The first lip gloss is in the shade JJ. It's just a really pretty, almost like rosy shade. Would go really nicely with this lipstick. So this is what it looks like right here on my hand, right there. And this one has a brush, so that's why I was saying before, like the Belle one had the doe foot. These have brushes, but this color is just stunning. I'll wear it literally every day. It's almost like that color that will look good on almost anyone and make your lips just like really full and juicy and just really pretty. And the second lip gloss is in the shade New Day. So New Day is just a really nice nude that has glitter in it, but the glitter chunks are not big. This would look good pretty much on any lipstick, probably. I'm really excited to try this. But it's just a nice clear gloss. Again, you can just wear this on its own. It's right here, just to give your lips just a hydrated, glossy look. And then the last set of lips that I got were from the I Love Sarah Heat and Colourpop. It's the Mixed Finish Lip Collection. I totally butchered her name, so do not come at me in the comments. So these are the 3 lippies that came in this set. Is this the gloss? Yes. This is Curvy, Mamacita, and 951. So I am wearing Curvy right now on my lips. It's gorgeous. I will swatch it for you guys because it needs a swatch. It is just a nice pinky gloss, pinky nude. I love it. And this is a swatch right there. It does not come out as pigmented as that on the lips, just because like I've been talking forever. But I like it on the lips. Next we have 951. So I've been wearing 951. This is a swatch of it right there. I've been wearing 951 and Curvy together. Prettiest lip combo ever. I'm obsessed. And then the last lipstick is Mamacita, which I've been dying to get for the longest time. And that's right here. It's just a really pretty purple shade. Well, not really purple. It's just gorgeous. I love it. So those are all the lip products that I got. So because I'm living under a rock, I was not aware that Colourpop had skincare. So I ordered some. The first thing I got from 4th Ray Beauty is just like a little cleanser set. So these cleansers, this clear one is the AM to PM gel cleanser. So you can obviously use that AM and PM to cleanse your face. And then this black one is just the cleansing oil. It's the BFD cleansing oil. And this is, I think, good to remove your makeup. And it has a little moon, so I'm assuming it's for nighttime. And they're both good for all skin types. So I'm gonna save these, I think, because I'm going away in April and I'm gonna need like little sample products because I'm going on a plane. So I think these might be okay. Let me know in the comments down below if these are okay to take on a plane. But they'll be good for the couple days that I'm away. So I'm definitely gonna try them out then, and I will definitely review them for you guys later on. I know it's gonna be a little while. I'm sorry about that, but I just thought of it like when I got them, like, oh, I should take these when I go away, so I don't have to go out and purchase little travel size things because I already have them. But I'm really excited to try them because they sound like amazing cleansers. The next thing I got from 4th Ray Beauty is their Later Hater Spot Treatment. So the spot treatment is pretty much just like the Mario Badescu one. It is way cheaper than the Mario Badescu one. So I'm really, really excited to try this. I'm gonna just leave it on my vanity though so it could settle because it hasn't settled like properly. But stay tuned for a review of that because that'll be coming sooner than the cleansers. I'm really excited to try this because I've been missing my Mario Badescu lotion and I just haven't had it. And the last thing I got from 4th Ray were some scrunchies. I just wanted to be trendy and have these cute scrunchies. They're satin, they're really cute, and I've just been dying to use them, but I haven't because of the haul. I wanted to haul them. But yeah, they're just really cute. I never can find ones like these at the store, like just cute ones. They're always like really ugly or velvet, and I don't like velvet. So I'm excited for these little guys. And that is it for this haul. Like I said a couple times, palettes will have their own reviews and swatch videos coming within a month or so. So stay tuned for that. Cleanser video review will be up probably April, May, just because that's when I'm going to be using them. So sorry about that. Like, I'm really, really sorry about that. But that's just when I'm using everything. I'm sorry. If you like this haul video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on any looks you want to see with any of the palettes that I got, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.